Hello everyone, James's Railway Adventures here, and today I'm going to be reviewing a Bachmann engine from British Railways, a BL Class 37 diesel engine. Let's take a look at this box first. So, on the back of the box we have a brief history on the engine. I'll let you pause that if you want to have a little read through that. Right here we've got some other stuff about this loco, about what it's aged for. Anyway, let's open her up. Well, it seems like this engine's got weathering, and this actually is quite heavy. Okay, now that the Class 37 is out of its box, let me take a look. Let me show you some of its details. So, to start off, this engine was weathered when I first purchased it, and we have some weathering on its roof, weathering on its bogies. We've got its double arrow British Rail logo on its side. Its nameplate here, which I'm not gonna pronounce that right now. We have its top number 37427, and are the buffers sprung? So they are. Anyway, let's test this engine's crawl. Here we go. Can go forwards or backwards. Am I the only one who just saw that? No way. The interior of the cab glows. Okay, that is sick. And like my Class 67, this has got working lights. But that is sick, man. Crawls pretty good. Do the lights turn red when it's running in the opposite direction? And oh, so it does. Forwards now. Yo, that is sick, man. Backwards now. Honestly, that's not bad. Anyway, time to give this engine a good strain to pull. Okay, I've given the Class 37 a good string to pull. Right then, 37427, off you go. I'll let you see all the wagons go by. Right, so I think on the inside track I'd run my Class of 6. Right then everyone, enjoy a running session. overall, that has been my review of the Bachmann Class 37 diesel engine. Till next time, this is James's Railway Adventures, and I'll see you somewhere down the tracks. Dry rails and smooth running. Goodbye, and thank you for watching.